Of class here, I am Tripathi sir here, going to start your annual examination lesson, that is lesson number 11. The heading is Force and Pressure. Chapter 10 is removed from your syllabus, so I am going to start this lesson. The name is already told, Force and Pressure. Now let us understand about the force first. What is force? In simple way you can say push or pull is known as force. If you are pushing somebody, you are applying the force. If you are pulling somebody, then also applying some force. So this way you can say that the force is a push or pull. Now the force, what are the various effects of the force? Once you are applying some force on a body, what will happen? So this page given effect of force right side. The effect of forces are various way. You can say the one of the most noticeable effects of the force is motion. Once you push or pull some object, if it is stationary, it will keep on moving now, either in slow or fast speed according to your force, but start moving. So force can move a stationary object. Next is the force can change the speed of a moving body. Suppose a body is moving in slower speed, and if you are applying some more force, the speed will get changed and it will take more speed. Next is the force can stop the motion of a moving body. If you are applying the force from opposite direction, the force will stop a moving body. Suppose a football is kicked by a player, it is now moving in the ground. Same time, if someone start applying force on the football on opposite side, then it will be stopped. Now next is the force can change the direction also. Suppose somebody moving in one direction, take an example of football only. Suppose a football is moving in the straight direction and one player kicked in the towards his own player, so it will change the direction. Again one more player will kick it and it will change the direction. So force can change the direction of a moving body. Next is the force can change the shape of a body, shape and size. Suppose you have seen the daily in your kitchen, the chapatis being made by your mother or sister. They are applying the force with the help of that balan, so it will change the shape. Generally, the floor is in other shape, but by applying the force, it will become round or so many shapes as required. So these are the various effects of the force. Now come to the other topic. What we see that force causes. Already I told you 5 points also written here. Stop a moving object, change the speed of an object, motion in stationary object, can change the direction of motion of a body, can cause change the size and shape of a body. These points are also answer of the short answer 4. Already I marked. So let us come to the next page. That is more about the force. Here you can say the various kinds of the forces. Force are the generally two kinds. One is known as the non-contact forces, other is known as the contact forces. They are the main type of forces, but other kinds of forces also, they are electrostatic forces, but they comes under two kinds of forces also. In first kind of the forces you can say the force which we applied by coming contact to a body with the help of either or muscles or other things. Suppose you are contact to the body. Suppose you are applying the force on pedal of your cycle. So you are using your feet to apply the forces. if you are pushing a box, pulling something, so you are applying your muscular force. So the body, when it comes to contact each other and force must be applied, they are known as the contact force. In non-contact force, force being applied with the distance only. Two bodies will not come in contact. For example, gravitational force, of Earth pull everything towards its gravity. This is known as gravitational force. So such type of forces are being applied with the help of gravitation without any contact. Same way, electrostatic force, when a charged body come to contact of your paper, suppose a comb you have rubbed from your hairs, dry hairs, then it can pick up the pieces of papers and all, so they are non-contact force. The force which applied without any contact to each other, so that is known as the non-contact force. Here on this page, you will come to know the other forces, magnetic forces also. They are also non-contact forces, because once you will take two magnets or some iron particles, you will take iron pieces, other side you will put the magnet. It will pull from a distance only. So this is known as magnetic force. Generally magnetic materials are there, from which magnets are being made by nature. That is the nickel, cobalt and iron, that main material. You can make the artificial magnet also with the help of various way. So that is the magnetic force. In non-magnetic forces, non-contacted force, the word given GEM. Here you can see the abbreviation of these three things: gravitational force, electrostatic force and magnetic force. This is answer of very short answer 3. What is abbreviation written? So you can write this, I have already marked. Here you can see the next page. The various questions related to the long answer are given here. Now, after force, here you can see the pressure. Next thing is pressure. Try to understand pressure also is just like you might have understand what is the pressure. The force applying in a per unit area is known as pressure. That is the main things. You can see formula here. Pressure is equal to force upon area. The pressure and area, they have got inverse proportion between them. Try to understand what is inverse proportion. It means if pressure will increase, then area will be decreased. If area will be increased, then pressure will decrease. So these are the various kind of the pressure. Now pressure units, already you know that it is be measured in the Pascal or PA also in shortcut. Now various examples have been given of pressure. A woman which wears a high heel sandal, she is getting more pressure on ground with respect to flat sandals and shoes. See, you can see camel can walk very easily in desert because its feet are wider at bottom side, so it exerts less pressure because area is more. Here also some experiments are given to know the pressure, how the pressure applied to the various places, and liquid, the pressure being applied in liquid and gases. Liquid pressure being increased at the increase of depth. It means if you have filled up some water or liquid in a container, bottom side it will exert more pressure and top side less pressure. Same thing, if density are more of a things, they will be having more buoyancy, like sea having salt, it is more density, so it is very easily to swim in the sea with respect to the swimming on the general water or rivers and all. Now The various experiments also here given. These are the answers of two long answer question. With the help of this page you can write what is the answer of these question. He is asking in question how you can say the pressure is being applied in all objects. So here one container given, an experiment given, that is already given in question. You can go through question and mark these answer. The last thing is siphon. Siphon is just a simple instrument. With the help of this you can see or take, you can see some container which is kept on the top and one just general tube kept on that, and you want to pour the liquid in other container that you keep in bottom side. Due to long pipe, it is having more pressure, so the top container liquid will come in the bottom container because of more pressure in the tube which are having longer in that. So this way generally in oil drums and all, the kerosene has been filled and they are using the tube because they are heavier, so all liquid cannot be poured by tilting, so they are being used with the help of siphon to pour out the liquid from top container to bottom container. Now keywords you can go through properly. Here are given every points. Some answers are also here. A very short answer and long answer not given, but only short answer you will get here. After this I mark the exercises, that is the tick the correct answer. Do it carefully in your copy because this time in half yearly examination all only objective type question came, so don't get confused, mark it properly, and any doubt you can ask me in such exercises. Now next is the again I mark the question answer also, fill in the blanks, very short answer here. You can see very carefully where are the answers given. Many answers I have written in front of question only. You can do it properly and complete the things. And last, see the question how carefully I marked. You can go through these question, mark it properly and do in copy with some diagram. Diagram whatever you want, make from this lesson. Don't left any page blank, make some diagram on the blank pages of science. So that is end of our one chapter which I taught you today. Then you do it. After that I will teach you next chapter. Thank you so much.